Okay, so this is my chapter one observation. Um, it says to reflect, was something illuminated? How did you become more mindful of your communication? How does this chapter relate to your life or experience that you had? Um, I think when we were doing the discussion post about symbols and how symbols are used in communication, I think I kind of realized how often in my communication I I use symbols, right? Where I say things that have arbitrary meaning or meaning to me that if somebody did not know that thing, that comment makes no sense to them, right? And how much of our communication is using symbols, right? I mean, the examples I used in our discussion were Jim simply drawing a pyramid on the board, right, to represent a pyramid scheme, where if you didn't know what a pyramid was, or you didn't know what a pyramid scheme was, that wouldn't that wouldn't mean anything to you, right? Um, and then also just looking at the three different communication models and understanding like I think the way that I have been able to look at it and um, break it down is the difference between transactional communication and interactional communication is transactional communication. Um, it feels like people are gaining or losing something from the interaction, where the interactional model is just that. It's just interaction. It's the difference between small talk and actually talking to somebody, right? Talking to somebody that you know, where you're both simultaneously breaking down and thinking of the next thing you're going to say rather than the interactional one, which is, to me, the way I'm thinking about it is small talk, right? Anyway, yeah, that's what I've learned this first chapter.